Hey guys, this is Roto, and today I'll be applying Bead Maker on the BMW M2. So right now the car is covered in paint protection film, and so there's probably like a difference between applying Bead Maker on the paint itself as opposed to applying Bead Maker on a paint protection film. So if you're looking for Bead Maker applications on like directly on the paint, that's probably when I clean the Civic. But for now, M2 is gonna get Bead Maker and it's gonna be on the paint protection film. So let's go ahead and clean the car. I don't know, I don't have a lot of confidence right now in Bead Maker, but that's because as far as beading is concerned, the car is beading really nice. But we'll see. Ooh. Like I said, it feels super slick when you apply it. Oh man. I think I just killed an insect. No? Okay. Ooh. Oops, that's too much. Sorry. Okay. Ooh. Oh my. I think as far as experiencing Bead Maker is concerned, you guys have to like try it really. I'm just spraying and trying to cover as much area as I can. But like, it feels super slick. Oh. So I used to like spray something similar on the M2. It was like a plastic protector sealant as well, but it wasn't recommended by XPEL because it has some product that, you know, helps or accelerates the yellowing part of paint protection films. Oh man. I mean, I'm not I'm happy that, you know, like applying Bead Maker makes it like super sleek, but you know, it doesn't say here how long it will last, and I guess that just depends on how you use your car. If you use it every day like I do until winter, then it's not going to last long. And if you keep your car in a garage all the time, you know, you don't drive it every day like I do, then it's gonna last longer than mine. But yeah, I guess like the initial part where, you know, you feel like the effect, it feels really nice. Did I spray it here? I don't think so. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Also, at least I can show you how much bead maker I use for the M2. So if you have like a similar size car, it's probably gonna be using the same amount of bead maker. So where's bead maker right now? I've already used more than half. So that is like, and I forgot how much bead maker was, so might have to think about that one if you're tight on your budget. But it looks like I can use this twice on the car, and then that's about it. And you can see that I'm not applying a lot, right? I mean, it's still generous, but it's not like I'm trying to cover all of the part or all the panels. I'm letting the rag do that for me. Oops, make sure that, you know, it doesn't drip. There we go. Okay, that's it. Wait for 8 hours for maximum protection, so they say. Initial impressions. It's not really like a wow effect, I guess. Like I said, right, the slickness part, it's super slick. And that's fine for the first application, but what about after a day, after a week, right? That's what I want to know about, and I'm sure you guys want to know about it too, because right now the car's clean, you know. Don't care too much. But yeah, bead maker, guys. Paint, protectant. Extremely easy to use, yes. Highly hydrophobic. Long lasting shine, cured protection, spray applied. So we'll let it sit for a bit, and that's it. Thanks guys for watching Bead Maker.